Carpet and Upholstery is an all-in-one multi-enzyme cleaner that easily removes coffee, wine and food stains, as well as dirt from carpets, curtains, bedding, clothing, home upholstery, vehicle upholstery, mattresses and pillows. For all those pet and infant mistakes, Carpet and Upholstery will remove odour at its source by breaking down urine and any other soiling. Because our natural surfactants are soap-free, there is no clogging of fibres, allowing easy removal of stains without damage to the fabrics. Apply Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner liberally until area is damp but not saturated. Work in gently with a soft to medium brush and allow this to activate for 5 to 10 minutes. Sponge off any excess with an absorbent towel or cloth, leaving some moisture to continue over time. For heavy or older stains, repeat this procedure 2 to 3 times after area has dried. Carpet and Upholstery can be used for a spotter and or a pre-spray and can be used through an extraction machine.